Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to take you through the process of e-voting, registration for delegates and council aspirants. First is to ensure that you have updated your student details in the student portal. 2, you need to register as a voter in your campus or in your department or your polling stations, which are in the system, and the system will be able to pick that automatically. And number 3, after you have done the first updating your details and registering as a voter, you can now proceed and apply for either the position of a delegate or a council member. So we go to the student portal, at the studentportal.mku.ac.ke, or you can go to our website, access the student portal. I'll log in here as a sample applicant, then go to elections. First is to make sure I've updated my details. So if you have not updated your details, you'll find some of these fields are empty, and you go to enter your phone number. I have not done it before. And then for the email, we are using the MKE official email. That is your admission number or your email at mylife.mku.ac.ke. Then click update. So once you click update, the system will prompt you to send an OTP or a token to your phone number or registered email, and then you use that to update the information. So once that has been done, on the back end, the approval will be done for the changes that have been made. Then you can proceed to and register for the upcoming Mkusa Council members election. So for example, if you want to apply for delegate position, you will select the first one. The second, if you want to be a council member, if those want to be commissioners, you'll apply for commissioners, and you cannot apply for 2, you can only apply for 1. So if I select the one for delegate and click register, then the system will indicate that I've already registered, because you check here, I've already done it. So, but if it accepts, then it will appear here at the top. Then I can come here and go to applications, and as you can see, the system has updated the upcoming Mkusa delegate elections, the constituency, the polling station, the application date, and other information there. So you select the position. For example, I want to be a delegate. If you're a council member, then you select whether you want to be a finance secretary, the vice chair, the chair, like that. Then the name you will use during the campaign or during the elections, you can use it there. You can put it there as, or you can update later. Then the preferred method of verification, you direct the verification to be done through mobile number or SMS. So if it is the SMS, make sure that the number you updated in the previous page is working or is available. Then if you're using the email, then you select the Secretary of Education. Then you proceed. Once you click proceed, yes, a code has been sent to the email. So maybe you just confirmed the code. So the code expires within 5 minutes. So you have done that. The system now allows you to enter the other requirements. For example, the academic first page. And then you choose where the file is and upload. Example, I can choose that and upload. I got the second requirement. I go to second. Maybe I want to apply the first page. Choose and upload. And upload. So you do the same for the other requirements, and then it will save. As you can see, those requirements have been saved. You can, for each, for example, like you can use a photo or even the first and the last page. You select the document, the kind of document you want to upload, then you save. And once you, in case you want to remove or to edit, you can click on remove here, and the system will remove if we had not removed that. Then you can put some remarks why you want to remove, and then the code will, you enter the verification code for authentication, and then you delete. Once you do that, then the system will be able to have, the system will have updated that information. So make sure that if I go back to voter information, just to take you through again, first is to update the information, personal information. Then second is to register for the upcoming elections as a voter. Then from there, you proceed to apply for either a delegate, a council member, or a commissioner, and you update the requirements as required in the system. And with that, those few remarks, I want to stop there, and that's how you register for the upcoming elections.